Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm whipping up something absolutely delightful, golden potato sausage patties. Let's dive right in. First up, peel and dice those potatoes, then give them a nice steady spa treatment for 20 minutes. While the potatoes are getting all cozy, let's show some love to our sausages. Chop them into adorable little cubes, and don't forget those fresh green onions. We want all flavors dancing. Now let's turn those steamed potatoes into a silky puree. Mix it up with our saucy sausages, a sprinkle of white pepper, a dash of seasoned salt, and a pinch of starch for that perfect texture. Shape it into cute patties. We're going for golden wonders here. Into the air fryer they go, 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Give them a flip, toss on some more goodness with chopped green onions, and let them dance in the air fryer for another glorious 15 minutes. Now depress the unseasoned. A generous squeeze of ketchup on top, and voila, it's ready to steal the spotlight at your dining table. I can't wait for you to try this recipe and share your thoughts. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.